So what we have here, and I'm not going to unpack it today because it's such a chore to unpack it because it's such a big thing, is the 152 or 1.5 metre Spillway Bowl or fountain bowl. This one's in grey. You can see some options there of how it's set up, but it is a big bowl for a big dramatic sort of statement, I suppose, which you could put on a recreation pond or you could build into a fountainscape. Now, if you haven't seen fountainscapes, go online, just check out Aquascape fountainscapes. You can do some incredible things. I remember assisting with one in the States a few years ago now. It's in St. Charles, one at a hotel complex. Beautiful big system, had multiple objects and items such as this, urns, bowls, slate walls, along with natural stone, and it is impressive. You can walk right around. This is a 360 view on these things, and they really do make a statement, especially for commercial ventures. But again, if you had that place at home, you could do one with this. And what I have seen with this one, Brian did one, is he set up one of our filter bowls. We talked about a bit before coming into one of these. So this is set up as a pond, the bowl, and then we have a filter bowl set up to the side with a waterfall into it, and you're pumping everything's internal. But something to have a look at, something to consider. We have some of these in stock now to go along with the rest of our fountainscape range. Check it out. There are some really amazing options out there to add little touches, you know, or do that unique, one-of-a-kind system in a commercial situation.